Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Telegram in a Windows 10 operating system, and then I will also show you how to use Telegram in your desktop or your laptop. So let's begin. Now to install Telegram in a Windows 10 operating system, you need to first download it. So for that, just simply go to your favorite browser and in here just simply type Telegram download, then enter. And then you'll be seeing this desktop.telegram.org is basically our first search result. So just simply click on this Telegram desktop. This will automatically going to open this official website of telegram.org. In here you'll be seeing, if you just simply scroll down a bit, in here you'll be seeing this get Telegram for Windows x64, and also there is this option called to download portable version, but you can install Telegram in your Windows 10 operating system, so that's not a big problem. So just simply click on this Telegram for Windows. If you are using some other platform, let's say Linux or Ubuntu, then you need to just simply click on this button, and then you'll be seeing this get Telegram for Mac OS, get Telegram for Windows, Linux, and for Windows x64. I am using 64-bit operating system, so just simply click on this get Telegram for Windows x64. This will automatically going to start downloading your Telegram x64, and the version is 2.7.1. It's just a 27.9 MB file, so it will going to download very quickly. And now as you can see, our Telegram setup has been rightly downloaded. So just simply click on the show in folder. In here you can clearly see this Telegram setup 2.7.1 version has been rightly downloaded, and as I have mentioned, the file size is 27.9 MB. If you are having some issues to finding these links and all, so I will be also putting the link in the description, so you will get the link from there. That's not a big problem. And now as the installer has been rightly over here, to install Telegram, just simply double click on it, and then just simply minimize my download directory. And here you can clearly see that Telegram setup wizard has been rightly open, and it's currently telling that which language you would like to choose. So they have given these languages. Depending upon what language you want to choose, you just simply select that. I am going to select English, and then just simply click on OK. This will automatically going to open a new window called Setup Telegram Desktop Version. So this is going to be your installation destination. If you want to change your installation destination, then you need to just simply click on Browse, and you can change that. But in this video, I am going to simply keep this all default, and then just simply click on Next. And now it's telling that they are going to simply create this Telegram desktop. So just simply keep this default. If you want to change that, then you need to just simply click on Browse, and you can do that. And it's also asking whether we like to create a start menu folder. So for that, just simply uncheck that. If you don't want, then you need to just simply check that, but I want, so just simply uncheck that, and then just simply click on Next. And then it's also asking whether we'd like to create a desktop shortcut. So for that, just simply check that. So this will what you're going to do is going to simply create a desktop shortcut over here. So just simply check that, and then just simply click on Install. And now it's telling that it's ready to install, so just simply click on Install for installation. This will automatically going to start your installation. It will be done in a couple of minutes. And now as you can see, our installation has been rightly complete, and so it's telling that to whether we'd like to launch Telegram. So just simply check that, and then just simply click on Finish. This will automatically going to launch our Telegram, and it's telling that to start messaging. So just simply check that. Now if you are already using mobile, then you need to just simply scan it over here, and it will automatically going to open over here. But if you want to just log in using just your phone number, then you can simply click on this link, and this will automatically going to open your phone numbers column. So here you need to give your phone number, and then it will going to send an OTP in your phone. So you need to give that OTP, and then you will be seeing that your Telegram has been rightly open in your laptop, and you can start using Telegram in your laptop. So in this way you can install Telegram in your Windows 10 operating system, and I have rightly shown you how to use Telegram in your laptop or desktop. I have this website called geekyscape.com, so do check our website geekyscape.com. In here you'll be seeing various tutorials and blogs that I have written, so do check our website geekyscape.com. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like and also do share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.